going out with a friend today, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Just fixing my bag, and we're probably hitting the road na. Yeah. I'm so out of my comfort zone right now. Like, I don't have glasses. Hindi ko rin siya dinala in case na gusto ko mag-glasses para wala akong option. Then, I'm wearing heels. I'm also wearing a short dress. I'm gonna show you guys. Ang gulo ng kwarto ko right now. I mean, what's new, diba? What's new? Okay, here. Here. There. This the fit. Okay. Wow, we have a camera. Let's go na. Bye-bye. See you in the car. I'm now here. I don't know where it is. Like, it's my first time kasi lagi lang akong STP. Kuya? Excuse me po, sir. Saan po yung Frabel? Doon pa po. Sarap lang. Thank you. Nasa harap mo lang. 19th floor. I'm so happy! I'm out again. And I'm alone. I'm wearing dress. And I look cute. Wow! Sinama niya pa yan. Telling you guys that we're leaving Salcedo and we're on our way to Uptown Mall, where we eat last time. Yeah, kasi the first time we saw each other, that was the first time. Yeah, that was the first time that we met. We were at Uptown. Tapos it's Christmas then, right? Yeah. But today is not Christmas kasi I'm not sure if I'll be at Makati this Christmas. Last Christmas kasi I was. Kaya, yeah. Also, we are celebrating ate nga kasi she passed an exam and thesis defended na siya. So, congratulations to ate. Yay! That's why I'm giving her holiday treat there. Thanks to mom. Kasi guys, I promised na this week is gonna be like all about my friends. Then, next week is all about me. Then, the other week naman is all about my family. O, diba? Asan yung week for jowa? Wala. Why? Because I have no jowa. And that's the way I like it. Okay. It followed me? Yeah. I don't know. Food namin, Alfredo, steak, mine is medium rare, Ate's have it well done, spinach, and then potatoes. Ate's having papaya and lemonade, and my drink is coming right up pa lang. kanina pa, pero I did something kasi for school. Then, I'm gonna show you everything that I got. I saw these shirts. Ayan. I got a big one. for my boyfriend. Charot lang. It's for my mom sana, but it's so lucky daw sa kanya. So, I'll probably give this to, I don't know, whoever. And ito yung akin. It's white and green. Yan. Yan. So nice. Kiko Mulano. For gift ko to eh. So, ayan. Di ko sasabihin kanino. Ayan. I got 3. Yung isa kinuha na ni mom. Yung isa, ito siyang kit niya. Like, good for retouch lang. Ang dami ko laging dinadaan lipstick, but I think this one's gonna be my staple. And it's so small, so perfect. I bought my friend a bracelet. Kasi ewan ko, parang hiling niya ang bracelet. Tapos, it's customized. Ito siya. Yan, may name here. So nice. Pouches. Yan. This one's for Chami. It's letter A. Kasi, starts with letter A yung name niya, malamang. Last but not the least, this set. It's my holiday set. Yan. It's red. Of course. Yan. It's just a pants. And then the top is so cute. I'm gonna try it on. Should I try it on? I'm gonna try it on. Wait lang.